one of the things of getting people to speak at the demo sessions is folks are doing really interesting stuff with HANA, taking it to different places in different industries. And so it's really my pleasure to introduce to you Pollex and Clive Pearson from Pollex. Clive's the CEO of Pollex and also author of the book Double Down on Your Data, amongst other things. Pollex does some really interesting stuff in the casino, gaming, hospitality industry. So I'll hand it over to him and so he can use himself and go through his demos. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for coming today. Like you mentioned, I'm the CEO of Pollex Consulting Services. We work in many different industries. We've been developing specific solutions around gaming and hospitality called patron value optimization, and that's really what this demo is going to be about. It's about how we've taken the PVO implementation and put it on HANA. So basically the first thing is the foundation for our solution is really the data model. And you can see from this pictorial that we're looking at all of the systems throughout the properties in gaming and hospitality. So we're pulling in from IGT, Bally's, Aristocrat, a whole host of other operators with regards to games. Agilysys with regards to the hotel operations. Micros would be the point of sales. Chronos for timekeeping, HR information. SpaSoft is an example of the other systems that we'll be accessing. SpaSoft being for the spa, but there's valet systems as well, and some of the golf courses, some of the mega resorts have a whole host of different systems that we're integrating with. Infinium from the financial side. So you can see our data model is getting all the information from operations, no matter what business unit you're working with. So the data model here, deployed in HANA, it's the same data model we've had for many years. It just continues to evolve. On the operational side, now that we've got the data in there, we've got a consistent reporting for all the business units here, from the HR, marketing, sales, and finance. With the SAP platform, now that we've got all the data in HANA, we now have the operational reporting components here with SaaS business objects. And the SAP platform with business objects is tremendously stable, easy to deploy, mobile, web pages. It's really across all platforms from our side. So it's been an exciting evolution for us in the last 18 months under our director of SAP practices, Lillian, under her guidance. So if we take a quick look here at pictorial, more on the HANA side. So the data model is residing in HANA now, so that the value that we have is the ability to process tremendously fast in HANA. So that means we're really taking the whole life cycle of our deployments here, from ETL, data governance, data models, reporting. In HANA, with the column store, the in-memory capabilities, we're able to run things real time. So we really have revolutionized our deployment plan and strategy around PVO in the industry. We're not looking at multiple data stores where normally we would have a landing staging area. We really are taking all the transactional data, putting it into HANA, creating these views, the analytic or the attribute or the calculation views on top of HANA. And it's really been quite amazing for us to see how fast we can deploy this. What I've done now is got a video that's going to kind of walk through and really give you a sense of the environment that we're in. We actually skipped one slide, I believe, here from a customer standpoint, just to give you a sense about the clients that we have in the industry here. This is a list of customers that are currently deploying PVO or have deployed PVO. Most US-based, but we're doing a lot of work internationally now in Macau. You'll notice Galaxy is one of the larger operators over in Macau. Okay, so with that, I will get to the more interesting part, which is going to be video.